Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we search about BikeMap and we click here. In this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.